2, 3, 4. Hey there, Marco Spadafora here from Whole Lotta Drumming. Welcome to another episode of Practice Pad Studies. We're going to focus on 4 accented double paradiddle patterns. Then we're going to mix them up with your common single paradiddle to create these cool 2-bar phrases. And then I will demonstrate what those 2-bar phrases will sound like on the drum kit. Number 1. This is where we take the double paradiddle, which is this, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. What we're going to do is we're going to accent the first note. All right, now let's try that as 16th notes to 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take the first double paradiddle and play 4 of them. And then insert. Here's what it sounds like at 100. 2, 3, 4. That's a pretty common phrase. Let's try that at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's an example of what they sound like on the drum kit. Pattern number 2, we're going to place 2 accents. We're going to place it on the first note of the 6-note double paradiddle pattern and the third note. So we have this effect. Let's try that at 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. play 4 of them, and add 2 single paradiddles. Let's try that at 100. 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try that at 120. 2, 3, 4. So here's an example of what they sound like on the drum kit. All right, let's have a look at the third accented double paradiddle. This one is a little tricky because we're going to place the accent on the second and the third. So what we have is left, right, left. Here's what they sound like at 100 beats per minute. So it's going to sound like this if you play 4 of them. Followed by 2 single paradiddles. And you get this, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with a metronome and you'll get a sense of where the groove and the feel and the time is. 100 beats per minute. 2, 3, 4. Let's try this at 120. 2, 3, 4. Kind of sounds a little strange, but you'll see what this sounds like as a drum fill when you're playing 2 bars time and 2 bars fill. All right, we're down to our fourth and final accented double paradiddle pattern. This one is, I think, my favorite because it creates a 4/3 polyrhythm kind of thing. We're accenting the first and the fourth of the 6-note pattern. Right, left, right, left, right, right. And then left, right, left, right, left, left. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. So let's have a listen what they sound like at 100 beats per minute. 2, 3, 4. So we're playing 4 of them. Followed by 2 paradiddles. Let's see what they sound like at 100 beats per minute. 2, 3, 4. Let's try that 120. 2, 3, 4. So here's an example of what they sound like on the drum kit. Enjoy. Man, I had so much fun creating this video. It brought back a lot of memories of when I was in high school and studying all this stuff. It was so cool. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. If so, thumbs up, drop a comment. Love to hear from you. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and you'll always be up to speed with my most recent videos. Anyways, folks, take care and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.